What is going on, guys? Welcome to the world's first brain state changer. Changes your when you watch a video over and over again. When you watch a video over and over again, you'll learn its content, learn how to do stuff that they do, you'll learn what's in the video, everything. It'll burn in your brain. But you have to watch it like quite a bit of times. I'm not sure how many times, but it shouldn't take too long. But remember, you have to sit there and watch it though. Or you have to play it. You have to play it in your house. I forget what it's called. No. If you still the AI said this was called something. He gave very scientific words about it. But if you play the video in your house, even if it's in a separate room and you just let it play, you'll learn its contents too as well. You just let it play, let it burn in your brain, and then you'll learn. After it burns in your brain, pause the video and copy the code down. He said it was subconscious learning or something like that. Subconscious learning. This is our brain state changer. Because it burns in your brain, this is our brain changer, brain state changer. It plays a video. You could take a video and play the video. You could use our brain state changer, add the video to our brain state changer, and it'll play the video It'll play the video very, very fast. It takes into account our molecular physics theory. It has our molecular physics theory under the hood. Shrinks the video file, and makes it play in the background, so there's no bottlenecks. And because it's small, you could play it real fast. Very powerful. And he knew what it was. The AI knew what it was. So he said it was scientifically proven subconscious learning. He called it something else too. But he said he put something in there that is optimized for that. It's optimized for that. It's optimized for learning too. It's not just if you try to play a video file at 100 times speed with a normal video player. Ours is better. Ours is optimized for learning at the molecular level. You learn things at the molecular level using our subconscious learning and our molecular level optimization meant for changing your brain state changer. It all depends on what kind of video you put in it. You'll learn the contents of the video. You'll learn the contents of the video. Depending on what video you put in, your brain state will change to that. He doesn't. The AI said he doesn't recommend playing a video at 100 times speed because it's unoptimized. Our version's better. It's optimized at the molecular level. You'll learn fast. It's a brain state changer. It'll burn in your brain instantly. Instantly. This is a Python project for beginner and advanced alike. This is a Python project, Python programming for beginner and advanced alike. Our program is meant for upgrading, improving, modifying, and developing. It's also hardware ready. You'll put your video file name in place of this right here, and it'll play that, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.